an international courier service.
You'll get occasional notifications. To get all, tap the bell.
Singer Justin Bieber has pledged to help out the victims affected by the devastating California wildfires. Thousands of Southern California residents have lost their homes since the fire began earlier this week. Bieber, he will try his best to raise funds for those affected by the tragedy. I'm going to have a conversation with some people and we are going to get moving on a solution. Obviously, I'm not a fireman, but I can use my resources to figure out ways to get some sort of restoration in certain communities, fundraisers or whatever we can do, Bieber said. Bieber later assured the victims that he was there to help them when they needed. I'm going to get on that. In the meantime, all the families and everyone who are struggling, just know that everything is going to be okay.
For more updates,
Please like,
share
and subscribe
to YoYo Times.